Hey there, what's up? Hope you're doing really good today. So in this video, I'm going to be going over how YouTube actually pays and how much money you can actually make on YouTube. Let's go. Alright, so welcome to my channel. My name's Sergio with Serge Tech. In this channel, I do tech reviews, tutorials, and I talk a little bit about making passive income money online, which is one of my favorite things to do. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos, and let's get right on with the video. Alright, so if you haven't started YouTube yet, and maybe you've been hearing that there's a lot of people making money on YouTube and making a good living just by making videos for YouTube, and you may be asking yourself, how much does YouTube actually pay and how do they pay? So I'm gonna be diving into all that information and explaining everything to you. All right, so how much does YouTube actually pay? Well, it's actually a little bit more complicated than you may think. There's a bunch of different factors, so let me go over them with you. YouTube uses something called a CPM, which stands for cost per mille, which is in Latin for 1,000. So they rate the ads by CPM, which is cost for 1,000 ads. In other words, for every 1,000 views of the ads that are displayed on your videos. Okay, so YouTube doesn't pay because of the amount of subscribers you have, or they don't pay because of how many likes your videos may get. I mean, that stuff does help out a little bit for the algorithm. And obviously, if you have more subscribers, you're gonna have more chances of more people watching your videos. But how you actually get paid is with the actual views themselves, because there's ads displayed at the beginning, usually in the middle as well if the video is long enough, and then you can also display a video at the end of the ad as well. So that's the other factor that will also determine how much you make per view, because if you have a short video and you only have a pre-roll ad, the ad at the beginning of the video, so you're only going to be making money off of that ad. But if you have multiple ads and the viewer actually sits through the entire video and watches all of the ads, you're gonna get paid more for that video view since they watched 3 ads instead of just 1 ad. So it also depends on how many ads they watch per video view. So obviously, the more video views, the more ads that will be displayed in front of the viewer. So for every 1,000 video ads is how YouTube calculates what they will pay depending on what the advertisers pay. Another factor that comes into deciding how much YouTube pays is the type of video that you're creating. So if you're creating videos that are targeted for kids, advertisers are paying less for these type of ads since they are geared towards kids. Younger kids don't have the access financially to be able to buy products. They will have to go and ask their parents. So that's why advertisers targeting kids usually pay less for their ads. So creators that make videos targeted for younger crowds will make less on the CPM, cost per 1,000 basis, since advertisers will be paying less. However, if you're making videos like financial videos, videos showing people how to invest their money, how to make money, these type of videos tend to make more per 1,000 views. So the CPM is higher. They tend to make usually around 12 to even 18 or $20 per 1,000 views. So that is definitely a lot higher than videos that are aimed for kids. However, the average CPM is about $3 to $8 per 1,000 views. Another good bit of information is that from the money that the advertisers pay to post these ads in front of viewers' eyes, YouTube ends up keeping around 45% of what the advertising company is paying. So really what the video creators are getting is 55% of the full price that the advertisers are paying. Another important factor to determine your CPM, or the amount of money you'll be making per 1,000 video ad views, is the country that your videos are being watched in. So different countries have different CPMs because advertisers are willing to pay different prices to advertise in different countries. So from my experience, the US is one of the top paying countries. I believe the UK and Australia and Canada are pretty high paying countries as well. But from my understanding, the US is one of the highest CPM paying countries. And YouTubers aren't limited to just making money from YouTube. You can use your YouTube videos to also do affiliate marketing, which is promoting products from other companies and making commissions just from selling those products by driving traffic to their company websites. You can also make money by doing sponsorships, being sponsored by certain companies that will pay you just to promote their products on your videos. So once you receive a certain number of subscribers, you will start getting more and more sponsorship emails and deals from certain companies that are looking to advertise to people interested in the videos of whatever niche you're creating videos on. And another thing that you can do also to make money aside from the YouTube ad revenue is by selling your own products. So you don't have to just do affiliate marketing. You can also sell your own physical or digital products. So maybe you can create digital informational products to teach certain things, or you can import products from China or maybe another country and sell them yourself on your own website. And you can use websites like Shopify that you can easily create your own online e-commerce store to sell your products. And for sponsorship deals, you can wait around till you receive emails from companies looking for you to advertise for them, because you will start getting them after you pass a certain number of subscribers. Usually after 10,000, you'll start to see that move more. But you can also go to websites like FameBit, where you can sign up and look for different sponsorship deals that companies are offering for you to advertise for them. And then another thing is that also depending on certain days and seasons, advertisers pay more for ads, so the creators will be getting paid more as well. For example, holiday season after Black Friday, every year advertisers start paying more for ads, so us creators do get a higher CPM. The CPM goes up since advertisers are paying more for the holiday seasons because people are more willing to spend money and buy products online. If you want to get more information on how much certain YouTubers are making online with YouTube, or you want to see how much you can make per several thousand views per video, I'm going to have links down below with information where you guys can check that out. I'm going to have a YouTube earnings calculator where you can kind of get an estimate on how much you could be making per several thousand views. And I'm also going to have a link to Social Blade where you can put in any YouTube channel name and it will give you an estimate on how much money they could be making. If you're interested in learning more about making money on YouTube or making money online with different ways of doing so, I'm going to have more videos coming up. Let me know in the comments down below what videos about making money online you would like me to post. And that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a like if you did, or if you got something out of it. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.